Go ahead and go to the principal's office for me.
Sorry.
No cheating on the exam.
Okay.
Hello?
Good evening, you are through to North West London Police. How may I help you?
Hello, some big tall man with no neck is chasing me down the road with a baseball bat, and I would like to report it as an incident.
Is anybody in danger, sir?
Yes, I'm in danger, mate. Well, honestly, mate, this is what's happened. I'm just going to break it down for you. So there's this geezer with no neck, and he's running after me with a bat.
A geezer with no neck?
He has no neck, mate.
He's chasing you?
With a bat.
With a bat?
Baseball bat. Yeah, he's going to hit me with it. He hasn't liked me.
Have you taken any medication?
Mate, you trying to say I do cocaine? I don't take coke. Is this the police?
Yes, it's the police. You are
No, there's some geezer toasting me with a bat and I need protection. I'm scared.
Sir, I have a duty to protect everybody. So
I can protect you, and I can give you more money than what you're making now, mate. I'm telling you, mate. I'm making about £1,000 every month, mate. I'm telling you, mate.
It's not the law, sir. You can be arrested and charged and brought before a court for wasting police time.
I will have chocolate yazoo milkshake waiting here for the riot, please. I won't call you back after this call, I promise.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Hello, this is PC Griffin. Yes,
Hello, PC Griffin. How are you? Just ringing you again. It's me. It's, Norbit Fish Oil.
Can I just say something? You hung up and then you rang straight back.
Yeah, I'm concerned for my well-being again. I think there's some people outside.
For your well-being within a second.
Because the wind went past me and it kind of blew me off. I was dancing and it blew me, and I thought I'd ring you because I felt like I needed someone.
So I can assure you that there is 2 police officers that are on their way.
Seriously, disease. Hello?
Mr. Fisher, we're going to strongly recommend that you do.
Mate, listen, I just heard a noise. There's a bang to the right of me. I think someone's trying to knock on my window with a gun. You need to come.
Maybe if you look out the window.
No, I'm telling you, mate. I heard it. It was mate. I'm telling you, mate. It was a gun, mate. He's come with a bulletproof vest up and down, walking up and down my street, banging on with a gun, mate. I'm not even joking, mate. It's not even a joke now.
Right, Mr.
No, PC Griffin, listen. I've got a suggestion. Call the ambulance and bring the whole police station. Oh.
Sir.
Oh.
Sir.
Oh, mate.
We are going to send. Sir, calm down.
Oh.
We are going to send armed police. We're going to send the army if we have to. We're going to
send the army. Maybe we can be friends, because I call you so much. And
Sir, you've called me numerous times for really no reason.
A skydiving instructor along with his student are preparing to jump from this small prop plane. The pilot wishes them luck. They jump from the plane, but something immediately goes wrong. Instead of free falling through the gorgeous blue skies, they're now both hanging upside down beneath the plane. The instructor tries to figure out what happened and soon discovers that the student's harness is wrapped around the plane's landing gear. The pilot is aware of the situation, but there's not a lot he can do at this point. Meanwhile, the instructor is trying everything he can to pry them loose. But considering they're upside down going about 100 miles an hour, that's easier said than done. As for the student, she's now taking a very zen approach to this terrifying ordeal. She closes her eyes and does her best to relax. They've now been upside down for more than 7 minutes. Fortunately, the instructor is able to get a hold of his hook knife and begins cutting. At last, they're free. The parachute's open, and they can finally breathe a huge sigh of relief.
Oh my God. High five. Guys, we have survived. It's unbelievable, thanks God.
What video always makes you laugh? I'll start.
Mum, I bought you flour.
What? I call you flour, no flour?
Yeah.
Just try it, please.
Huh? Fucking bottle in half. Shit. What?